Not many people know about the simple Goan curry, but once you taste it, it becomes something you keep coming back to. Made with basic ingredients, yet so rich, smooth, and comforting. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have taken 3 Knol Khols. I'll begin by cutting the stems and then I will peel the Knol Khols. Now we will cut the Knol Khols. Wash the Knol Khols and keep aside. Here I have 9 prawns. They are cleaned, deveined and washed. Add salt and mix well. We'll keep this aside and let it marinate. Then into a mixer jar add 1 and 1/4 cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 black peppercorns, 5 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, tamarind marble sized, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of uncooked rice, half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, some water. Cover with the lid and grind. Place a strainer on a bowl. Pour it into the strainer. Now extract the thick coconut milk. This is the thin coconut milk. Then place a kadai on medium flame, heat some oil in it, add 1 chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Add salt, stir. Add 1 chopped tomato. Cover and let it cook until the tomatoes become soft. Add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir. Add the marinated prawns. Once the prawns are cooked, add the washed Knol Khols. We will mix this well. Add some water. Cover and let it cook. After 5 minutes, add the thin coconut milk. Mix it. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. As this starts cooking, the flavors slowly begin to come together. Now add the thick coconut milk. Add salt, 1 slit green chili, I'm adding half teaspoon of veg stock powder. If you don't want to add veg stock powder, you may skip it. We'll mix this well. Cover and let it cook. Cook for 10 minutes. Rich, smooth and perfectly cooked. The gravy has turned thick, flavorful and so comforting, just the way it should be. Simple but so satisfying. After 10 minutes, check if the Knol Khols are cooked. If they are cooked, turn off the flame. Our Goan Naab curry is ready. This is the kind of curry you can enjoy again and again and never get tired of. Rich, smooth and full of flavor. This simple Goan Naab curry turns out so comforting and satisfying. Sometimes the most simplest recipes are the ones we enjoy the most. If you enjoy homemade food like this, do like, hype, share and subscribe. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.